Hello friends, this video what we are going to look how we can enable as well as disable for desktop icons. Okay, while you're recording for the video, sometimes you will think you need to disable for the application which is available in the desktop, as well as sometimes you require to enable it. Okay, so that is what the trick we are going to look in this video. Let's see. Right now I disable all the icons which is available in my home screen. Okay, so now I want to enable it. Just you can right click, okay, go to view, okay, and from here you can click show desktop icons. Right now you can see everything will be enabled. If I want to disable, in a sense, you can go view and you can click this one, show desktop icons. So now disabled. Okay, and if you want to icons will be in large or medium or small, if you're clicking this one, it will be available for large icons like this. If it is required, in a sense, for medium icons, okay, suppose if it is required for small icon, in a sense, this is a way you can rearrange all those things. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe the channel and keep on watching. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.